In this video, I'll be changing the oil in the 2nd gen Nissan Xterra. This covers the 2005 to 2015 models with the 4.0 liter V6. So first, I'm going to remove the oil cap. You're going to find the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan right under the engine. You'll need a 14mm socket or wrench to loosen it. With your catch pan in place underneath it, go ahead and remove the oil drain plug and let all the oil drain out. While the oil is draining out, let's go ahead and locate the oil filter. It's mounted up front on the passenger side. With your catch pan underneath it, use your oil filter wrench to loosen it. Once it's removed, make sure that the gasket came off with it. While that's draining, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the oil drain plug, now that the oil pan is now drained. Take your new filter, lightly coat the rubber gasket with fresh oil, and screw it on hand tight. Now it's time to add the new oil. We'll be adding 5.4 quarts of 5W30. I usually start with 5 quarts, then check the dipstick and top it off slowly. Don't overfill it. Once the new oil is in, it's time to put the cap back on. And make sure to dispose of your old oil and filter properly. Most auto parts stores will recycle it for free. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like these.